Hey guys, so I'm back with another experimental type video, and the topic of this video will be earphones, specifically the Jamaican street earphones. You ever buy earphones from off the road before, and then like after probably a week, if you're lucky, sometimes 2 weeks, probably after 2 weeks, them just like stop working for no reason, like legit no reason. You probably not even drop them or nothing, but one of the earphones, like either the left one or the right one, just stop work. I can't explain it. So from that type of experience, I came to think of this idea where I'd test different street earphones. So I went out and I bought some earphones from off the street of Halfway Tree from the different vendors. So I'm going to be putting these earphones through 1 week of tests. So through this week, I'm going to be testing 4 different earphones. I'm going to be testing Reggae Life 4 for $300. This is the cheapest one. Power Sound, this brand Power Sound. This Maxin brand, I'm pretty sure most people are familiar with the Maxin brand. And the most expensive one for $500, the Samsung earphones that are specifically for the S6/S7, I guess. I don't know. Guys, don't be fooled. It's obviously fake. It's for $500. It's obviously fake. We're going to be judging them in different categories, guys. But let me say that we're not going to be judging them based off of sound quality, because 1, I'm not an expert on sound, and 2, I don't think you can really judge earphones like these and expect them to have a very good sound quality, mainly because of the price at which you paid for them. So we'll be judging them based on drop tests, like we'll just be dropping the earphones by themselves on the ground, how well it can like catch your phone while the phone is falling, what if while you're walking and then your phone, like your earphones get caught on the doorknob, things like that, scenarios like that, common scenarios that put the earphones to the test. And then we're gonna see which one comes out victorious after this 1 week. And throughout the week, I'm gonna be giving you guys updates daily. And yeah, just know that this is gonna be a really fun video. Place the bets, guys. These are they right here. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so it's day 1, and just to start off the video, I'm going to be doing unboxing of the different earphones. So we'll just start with the Reggae Life. So I'm gonna be judging them on so it opens up even on down here. I don't know about whatever this is, it'll be a wire tangle up oh, look at that.
Nope.
Whereas I really think it could have been better. Actually, I really like this though. I like this box. It's a wire that holds them together. It's pretty easy. It's pretty simple for the powerful sound. Earphones. Continuing. Go to the box. The part where like the mic would be, the volume. It's kind of crushed. Oh, guys, pay no mind to my fingernails. Sorry. Branded, and this is how it comes out. I don't know. I actually have a feeling that these might come out on top. Okay, so now we're actually going to try basically testing to see how they fit in my ears. I'm actually talking on it. Alright, it's good. It's good when it comes to that, like staying in my ears. Moving on. As I suspected, you see there? The thinness of the wire actually kind of helps in making it a little more discreet. Now let's move on to the Maxin. They don't fit very well. That they don't stay in your ears. They look good. They do look good. They don't look bad. Look at me. Sorry there. My beard is growing in, guys, and my mustache. Don't mind that. Now on to the Samsung earphones. This isn't budging. It's not budging. To be honest, this doesn't do a bad job. Good job for the Samsung one. So, but throughout the week, as I put these 2 tests, we'll really see which ones shine. So for day 1, I'll definitely give it to the Samsung ones. So it's day 2 now, and today I'm just gonna be like testing them, seeing the sound quality for different songs. Let me say that we're not gonna be judging them based off of sound quality. I'm just basically just observing the difference between them, you know, and in how they sound, that is. And I think this is gonna be interesting. You already know I have the biggest, baddest artist out here, the baby. The Reggae Life R4. We're gonna start off with that. I might be tripping, but right now, this earphone, this one, has like a rattling sound in it. I put the volume all the way up, and this one has like a rattling sound going on in it. I don't know what is happening right now. It's not loud. It's not loud. I turned this volume all the way up. It's not loud. I have to push them in for them to really like feel like they're secure in my ears. Moving on now to the, what are these, powerful sound? Okay, so far these are not that bad. The bass isn't all that bad. And it is kind of noise cancelling, cause right now I don't know our sound. I can't hear myself. I cannot hear myself, but it good. It's good so far. It's kind of loud. And I haven't even turned it all the way up. So I'm turning it all the way up now. Go! I have no complaints. Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah. $500? Sheesh. Me actually spend so much money? What a clown. It's not very loud. No problem so far. I don't like these ones. Maybe it's because I have such high expectations for this one, and coming from the Moxins sound better than this one. Okay, that's all I have for this so far. You know. The Samsung ones, they're underwhelming. They're really underwhelming, and it's kind of a letdown. So yeah, we're back now. Day 3 or 4? No, day 4. We're back on this day 4. I didn't record yesterday Tuesday, mainly because I wasn't really doing much with the earphones. But yeah, we're back nonetheless. But yeah, let's just get into the action. Okay, so we're gonna go from here to about 4 feet. This is where we're going to be dropping the earphones from. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Alright, so this is the aftermath. This is what happens. The top come out. I don't know what to make of this. Alright, so now we have the Reggae Life R4, 3, 2, 1. And yeah, they're in pretty much the same condition. So now we're gonna let's drop the Moxin 2, 1. It's good. It's good. We have now the Samsung ones, the Samsung 6 or 7 1. Come again. They're good, expected. Yeah, so the powerful sound going up in the ear now. 3, 2. Very detrimental to the future of these earth. Oh no! We have the Reggae Life R4. Yeah, man. Alright, so now we have the Moxin band. 2, 1, the Moxin band. They actually held up pretty well. Out here with the Samsung brand. Last one. Off we go. You know what I'm saying? It kinda landed in the grass, so. Yeah. As I expected, they are okay. Okay, so it's Thursday now, and today we're going to be doing the door test, the doorknob test, to see if when I walk, if it get caught in the doorknob and if it will still work after being caught in the doorknob. I'm basically gonna set myself up to rip up my ears, you know, and I'm gonna be using this old Huawei phone that I have. Yeah. Ooh, okay, let's go. So first up, the Maxin brand. One of them breaking, so it's like. Next up, the Maxins. Yes, as I was saying. Yes, as I was saying about this whole YouTube thing. Now we have the Reggae Life R4s. Yeah, bro, say it on how. Oh shoot. Yeah, bro, say it on how. Oh shoot. Now for the Samsung brand. Yeah, so you know where it goes. I literally heard that coming out of my ear. Like, I don't know, man. This one was really bad. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing like a different type of drop test. I'm going to be seeing how well the earphones can actually save your phone's life. To prevent me from mashing up this phone any more than it already is destroyed, I have this little box here that the phone will fall into. I'm going to be dropping it from my ear height. So in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we have. I didn't even drop it yet, but you know what? Let's use that. Still. I think that had something to do with the height at which I was making them fall from. So today's Thursday, so we're really dwindling down. Tomorrow's the last day that I'll be testing these earphones, and I think that so far they're somewhat evenly matched up. Ever since starting the testing, I have not tested them again to see how they sound. The only time I ever really listened to how they sound was on Sunday. Yeah, was on Sunday when I decided to plug them in and listen to people. Thanks for watching so far. Okay guys, so we're finally here. We're at the end of the week. We've made it to the end of the week of testing, and I have to say I was not very consistent throughout the week. Like, there were about 2 or 3 days where I just didn't test out these earphones or use them. The last day is going to be the day where I listen to them again after the gruesome testing that some of them went through, and we're just gonna go through them, test them, and then end off this video because honestly I need to get this edited and off of my phone because it's taking up space. I'm gonna plug in the powerful sounds right now and listen to Stir Fry. The good news is this one is still working. But the kitchen light, Popeyes. The good news is this one is working, but let me hold this up and see if this is. You know, it sounds like both of them are actually working. Wait. This one is still working, listen to it. It's still working, it's just that the top come off, and wow, that's impressive. They're both working. The Maxin brand is still sounding really good. There's nice echo and there's depth and bass in it, and I don't even know what I'm talking about, man. It sounds like I'm some kind of sound engineer. They're both still working. They sound the same like at the beginning of the week, so they seem to have held up pretty good. Wow, I can't believe the day has come where I literally lost my footage. Anyways guys, I'm gonna let you guys know what happened. The Reggae Life R4s, those sounded trash as always, but the important thing was that both of them were still working. And that's what the Samsung, shocker, only one earphone was working on the Samsung brand. That's crazy to me because I really did think that that was the one that was going to hold up, but nope. Anyways guys, these are my final conclusions. So throughout this week of testing, there are some things that I've come to notice. There's some unexpected findings that came out of this whole experiment that I think can actually be applied to real life when you're using the earphones. So if you're somebody who likes to purchase earphones from off the street, not necessarily for sound quality, which is something that I wouldn't go for if you're purchasing earphones from like a vendor off the street. This powerful sound brand, it honestly exceeded my expectations. it ended up with one of its heads missing, and it's still working. Both of them are still working. The Regulive R4, these ones are still working fine. They're my least favorite due to how they fit in my ear. Like, I hate the fit of them. The Samsung brand, this one disappointed me. And it wasn't the best sounding to me, but I wasn't judging off of that. I was judging off of how sturdy it feels, because it literally feels the sturdiest out of all of them. And at the price that I bought it at, I thought it would have lasted longer. I mean, I bought it for literally $500, which is way more than the others. And then you have the Maxim brand. The Maxim brand, these were a delightful surprise. I always thought the Maxim brand being like on the street and being sold. It honestly is a good earphone. But at least for the 1 week that I've tested it for, I can't really testify for people who've had it for like a month and after that month it stopped working. But I have to say that my top earphone, and you guys probably saw this coming, but let me have a drum roll, please. The Maxim brand. Honestly, the Maxim brand, it's a really good earphone. It sounds really nice. I like listening to people, and I have to say the Maxim brand is definitely my favorite. It held up the best. It held up the best throughout this week of testing. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. This is the first time I'm actually doing one of these like experimental type videos for a prolonged period of time, an elongated period of time. So it's pretty interesting. It was an interesting experience for me too. And yeah, I'm gonna end off this video now, stop talking so much, and then edit it and upload it. So thank you guys for watching. Till next time, Shamar Costume. I don't know. I really don't know what I gotta do with these. Until then, I just have to put them down in my drawer.